私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使。
人類はついに人間もどきを倒す。
Their father! That rocket has the wrong weapon!
Dr. Kura has been kidnapped by Rodak's lugo-men because they knew he carried a bacteria that would destroy them. They succeeded in replacing this weapon with one of their own forms of bacteria that would destroy Earthlings.
Stop it!
The Yama will explode in 3 minutes.
The Space Avenger will get it.
I don't think so, sir.
That's the monster!
Yes, that rocket has the wrong weapon, and Goldar has been stopped by Naranda's paralyzing ray. Your rocket will explode, and my weapon will allow me to conquer the Earth. I warned you to cooperate. Now you must pay for the price of refusal. You could have saved yourselves a lot of trouble. No one beats Rodak. I take what I want when I want it, and no one has the power to stop me. Now I say goodbye to you, for I trust I will never see you again. Tell Goldar I admire his strength, but he was never a match for me. Goodbye. Goodbye.
We can't let Rodak do this.
We only have 1 minute. Then all is lost.
Gam, Goldar's son, transforms from a robot boy into a rocket.
He knocked out the creature!
Goldar sank the Earth again.
Goldar upset my plans again. He'll pay for this.
GGH9 はどこにある？どこへ隠した？知らんもの答えようがない。
白を切るな。日本へ運んできたはずの博士が知らんことはないだろう。さあ言え。
すると博士、 GGH 内は48時間ごとに培養し直さないと
死滅して用をなさなくなってしまうんです。その48時間目が今夜の8時です。
And that's at 8 tonight.
Locate Dr. Kura. No one is aware that he doesn't know the location of the weapon. That way, if he's caught, the doctor could never give the secret away. That's why you must find him before they hurt him.
Doctor, we will certainly do our best. Miko and Gam are also searching.
Good.
Wait, here it is. Totalia bacteria, I found it. It says that if we have any contact with what Rodak tried to use against us, we cannot survive it. Look, lots of things start to happen.
Tell me, what?
Our bodies start to turn moldy instantly.
What's moldy?
Oh, golly. Don't ask. Look, let's read on.
Miko!
We're in danger. Well, they're fireballs.
That way!
Better return to the laboratory.
Okay.
Halt! Your identification papers, please.
This test will take a moment. Let them through.
Thank you.
Okay.
You say Dr. Kura doesn't know where the secret weapon is? The whole thing is unusual.
It's in his shoe, and he isn't aware of that.
The idea's good. The UN doesn't take any chances. You have to admit it's an excellent check of security. What they feared might happen actually happened.
And it's still going on. Rodak is trying to find that weapon, and his 3 agents have the doctor at their hideout. I wonder how much longer the doctor can endure it.
We have 3 hours to get the weapon. All right, get going. And you'd better hurry.
Kita speaking. Huh? Huh? Are you sure? You saw the monster again?
They're all right, sir. Good. You saw nobody else in the area?
No, sir. I will soon contact the patrol. Are you sure it was Rodak's lugo-men that you saw entering this area?
Well, they were lugo-men, all right.
And I'm certain that they entered this area without being seen.
I have a feeling that this is all your imagination. We've searched the area thoroughly.
Doctor, the monster is doing damage again. And it isn't too far away.
We've got to destroy the creature or it'll enter this area.
Goldar.
Right. He'll get the monster.
My monster Naranda will destroy the laboratory and everyone in it. This time no one will escape.
Sir, Agents 4, 5, and 6 have landed and successfully entered that area. They will immediately start their demolition.
That is good. Did those Earthlings think they could fool me with their new electronic tester? Now that I have changed the chemistry of the lugo-men's bodies, they will pass every test.
We are most happy that you are satisfied.
Look, there's Goldar! What? So Goldar thinks he has the power to stop my monster Naranda, eh? This time I'll make sure that the metal he's made of will be scrapped for junk.
It's 6 o'clock. We have very little time.
More? I think there's a car tailing us. Turn around, take a look at it.
It's Dr. Kura.
Huh?
Slow down. Let them pass by. Something's wrong.
Let's see what they're up to.
Get going.
Quickly, Doctor. You've got to come with us before they get back. Doctor!
Oh, come on.
The lugo-men lured us here.
Let's go.
I've been thinking carefully of the situation, and the secret weapon should still be there, hidden in his shoe.
Oh?
Am I wrong?
You're right. The bacteria is still in the sole.
Yes, but they could have learned that and removed both soles. Doctor, have you thought about that? Or you?
Mm-hmm.
They can't. You'll see, it's useless. I'll tell you why. Those soles have a high degree of radioactivity. Not only that, those soles are harder than diamond and can't be broken. See this drill? It consists of an alloy called XO3. It's one of the few that contains such an ingredient. Look at it. Without such a drill, the doctor's source cannot be penetrated.
Uh-huh.
Huh? What's going on?
Something wrong?
Yama, there's a stranger lurking around.
What? Get him.
Yes.
I hear. He's a lugo-men. There he is.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
You're certain you've never seen that man anywhere in this neighborhood?
That's right.
Please, look again.
Sorry. I certainly wish I could assist you further. However, I can't.
Thank you, anyway. Good day.
Thank you.
Two more hours.
You know, I just thought of something. If those shoe soles are radioactive, then I can find out his location with my Geiger counter.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Ah, hey, that's a great idea.
Thank you. I have a miniature model I always carry with me while I'm a robot.
Good. That's a signal.
You're right.
Damn, that house down there.
I'll check it out. Can I be of any assistance? What are you looking for on my lawn?
Well, it's the wrong house.
If I knew what you were looking for...
A lugo-men. He won't get far.
Look at the signal. The whole area is radioactive. It shows that Dr. Kura was here.
Then they took the doctor away.
That's right. We've got to find their trail. Nico, let's go.
My men will drop Dr. Kura and that bacteria into the ocean, and no one will have it. No one.
Seven o'clock. 1 hour to go.
Signals are getting stronger, Miko.
Ha! That truck! Hurry.
Those are the shoes.
Doctor, try to wake up.
Doctor. Huh?
What? The bacteria.
It's all right.
Oh.
Doctor, let's go. Hurry, let's get out of here.
Look, he's gone. they are!
Get going.
Right.
Miko!
What?
You did just what we thought you would.
I've been tricked. Miko, hurry. Right. The shoes. There's still a chance. Hurry.
Well enough to go, Goldar.
Let me. I'll go, Methuselah.
No. I will go. It is my duty to protect the people of Earth. From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Goldar, the Space Avenger.
守とガムは苦心の末最近 GGH9 を取り戻すことができた。今夜の8時までにそれを山科博士のところまで届けなければならない。しかし2人は帰る途中ストップドンに襲われガムと守に危機は迫った。
Put them down and challenge someone your own size.
Let me help, Goldar.
Get back.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now, Naranda, fight! will be the end of the Space Avenger at last.
Sir, Noronda's energy level is lowering rapidly.
What?
It will reach zero in a matter of seconds. What should we do?
Quickly, supply Noronda with more energy.
Yes, sir.
That robot's luck is going to run out on him one of these days. What's this? So, this is how Noronda gets its energy. I must tell Methuselah at once.
We've got to find out what they did with the real bacteria. I hope we learn something new by morning. But anyway, at least neither of you are hurt.
I'll get those lugo-men yet.
You will.
You're forgetting something. We have to find the real Dr. Cora and rescue him.
I'll do that. I'm going to return to the base.
Good night.
Jam transforms into a rocket and returns to Mount Olympia.
I guess we should get on home.
Papa, Mama certainly missed.
My boy, don't you worry. I guarantee we'll locate your mother very soon.
So Rodak shoots a ray into Noronda to increase its strength. And in other words, according to your story, the creature's energy is limited, right?
Excuse me. Does Rodak use a device that creates such a high energy in the ray?
That is something we have to find out. That ray may contain some sort of high-frequency light waves.
What you say could very well be the answer to her question. If we find that out quickly enough, then there's an excellent chance of beating the monster. Goldar, I feel a strange vibration coming from space. Rodak is getting very angry. I felt it again.
I received word from my agents that the Earthlings just delivered another shipment of that secret bacteria. The situation's dangerous. We must stop them from launching another rocket, or my lugo-men will be destroyed. I want you men to return to Earth and learn what method of rocket launching they will use this time. I want the information as quickly as possible, and I will not tolerate a failure. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Noronda's energy level is to be tripled immediately. You must get me their method of launching.
Yes, sir.
The Earthlings will learn that when Rodak wants something, he gets it. And they must learn this quickly. You men are to leave immediately. I want the Earthlings to know how much power I have.
Rodak's Totalia bacteria spreading.
And huge fires started in several neighborhoods an hour ago.
Sir, the bodies of many victims are lying in the streets. All the victims' bodies are covered with a brown mold that underwent various stages.
What's wrong?
Don't touch the thing. It's Totalia bacteria. I want you to order an ambulance here and call the authorities immediately. What? There aren't any. Are you trying to say their engines can't run? Well, explain what happened. There's a sick...
Papa, every
Wait.
train, bus, and car, none of them are operating.
impossible. Hello, did you know every vehicle on the street isn't operating? Run a story on it immediately.
It's Rodak's doing. That's the answer. I'll call Goldar right now.
Miko, I think it's important that we concentrate on this disease rather than traffic. I'm going to consult with Dr. Yama. Rodak's doing this to stop the rocket launching.
And the Totalia disease is spreading throughout the area. If we don't find a cure quickly, then everyone in this vicinity is going to catch it.
You mean you know nothing of this disease?
On the contrary, many things have been discovered by studying the victims.
Hi, that's good to hear.
We are now at work on bacteria that may cure it. Its intention is to check this plague from spreading. If the new vaccine works, we'll launch it by plane.
That's a good idea. I'll check the air terminal.
A small craft will do fine.
Isn't there anything that you can do for us? Nothing. None of the engines are working. If you can fly this craft without an engine, you can work miracles. And half of our staff here has already caught Totalia.
Signal, I've got to get up.
Transforming into a rocket, Gam leaves the fiery heart of Mount Olympia.
Gam!
I noticed that there aren't any engines running. I wonder if it's all due to the ray of Rodak's creature, Naranda.
I think you're right there. Gam, you're needed.
Huh?
In that case is a very rare medicine.
Will it be effective against Totalia?
Only if we can spread it in the air. Since no engines work, we have no plane. You can do it.
This is an emergency.
Gam, it's most urgent. People's lives are at stake, so do it.
Oh, all right.
Now you're talking. Here.
This is going to save the Earth?
Yes.
Doctor, the space rocket isn't working. What? So long,
Now don't fail.
A lunchbox of medicine.
Are you sure it isn't working? I'll try again. No.
The engine is all right. It just doesn't seem to work.
Our scientists said they would keep checking.
Then I guess that there is nothing to do. I want a full report.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I just learned that Totalia's effect on the Earthlings has just stopped.
That's impossible. I just saw for myself on the TV screen that Earthlings were falling in the streets by the hundreds. How dare you lie to me?
This report is more recent than what you saw, sir.
What? Get in touch with my agents immediately.
Yes, sir.
What's going on down there? Why isn't Totalia working any longer?
It's not our fault. Dr. Yama invented a medicine to counteract Totalia. He gave it to Gam to spread in the air.
What? Dr. Yama must be punished, and Gam too. I want you to switch to plan number 17 and begin destroying that area. Their space rocket is to be demolished. I also want you to make certain that their...
Merry Christmas.
I've heard that you've all been good girls and boys. So come here. I have presents. Gather round, girls and boys. I have something for each of you. Here you are, little girl.
Thank you,
Don't
Santa.
open it till you get home. Let me sing out for you, little boy.
Thank you, Santa.
It'll be a happy Christmas for everybody. Here you are.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Thank you.
There you are, son. You've been a good boy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Miko.
Well, Santa, you know my name, didn't you?
Oh, here you are. Here. A special gift just for you. Take it.
There's nothing written on it. Rodak!
Someday all of Earth will be mine, and neither you nor Goldar, the Space Avenger, will stop me. I shall continue to send my monsters until you are conquered. Here is my Christmas present to Earth. This is Bakuma, and it will soon reach your planet to destroy as much as it can. It will give you a small sample of my invincible genius and power. Merry Christmas!
It's headed toward Earth.
Here you are. Mr. Moore, are you sure a monster called Bakuma is headed toward Earth? It makes a very exciting story, but it's unbelievable.
Miko, imagine this. Your son is always doing that.
Not always. Rodak has come here again from a far planet. He'll keep his promises as he has in the past. My son wasn't alive. He must have received a message from that evil Rodak.
Where and when will the monster be coming here?
My son wasn't told exactly, though Rodak said it would arrive here around Christmas.
Then it could arrive on Earth at any second.
I hope not.
A monster has just been sighted over the airport. What? Get on it. Quick, call a car.
Okay.
Editor.
Itomura and his assistant Liz speed from the newspaper office toward the airport, as once again the evil Rodak from the far planet of Macau attempts to conquer Earth.
Look, come on. Get a shot of that.
Oh, I'll try.
Huh? It's already on Earth? It can't be stopped at all? All right. I'll go, Space Avenger. Okay. Oh, and Papa, be careful, eh? Yes, sir.
Goldar!
From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Goldar, the Space Avenger. Goldar's son Gad roars in to join his friends.
Papa!
Oh, Miko.
Mr. Mura. You will be safe now.
Good.
That monster vacuum wasn't very strong.
Even I could have scared that monster off and without any help.
I'm sorry, Gam, you didn't get a chance to fight.
So am I. I want to be like my father and do good deeds all over the universe.
It's very strange, isn't it?
What's strange?
The way Bakuma retreated without doing battle.
Rodak sent the monster here for a reason, and he will not call Bakuma back to space until the job is completed.
I agree. Rodak's got other plans of attack.
Papa, let Gam and I go and investigate. Come on, Gam. Let's go. Okay.
Miko, wait.
Be careful. Who knows what evil trick Rodak will try next?
They're sent by Rodak.
You can tell. They're robots, aren't they?
Rodak's probably sent an army of them.
Any idea what to do?
Sure. Use your feet.
Listen, I have ordered my dwarf robots to take possession of men's bodies and then to spread chaos.
Yes, Rodak. As your operative on Earth, I will see that it's done.
Soon Earth will surrender.
At a Christmas party, the dwarf robots strike.
Come on, let's dance. Come on.
The dwarf robots take possession of their first victim. The young man, possessed by a demon dwarf robot, carries out Rodak's orders to spread chaos.
What's gotten into everyone these days?
There are crimes being committed all over.
Nobody's acting normal. Nobody.
You know, I think there's a connection between those dwarfs and the terrible things that have been happening in the past few hours.
Miko comes shopping for a Christmas present for his pal Gam.
Like to buy a present, eh? That's a nice castle with soldiers.
Oh, yes. I just know that Gam is going to like it.
I'll sell it to you at a special price for Christmas.
I'll take it. Please wrap it for me.
Here you are.
Thank you, sir. What do I owe you for it?
$5 exactly.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Christmas. Because Miko's mother has disappeared, having been captured by some of the evil Rodak's men.
Miko, Mama's in your thoughts tonight, right?
Yes. I wish she'd come back.
And so do I, Miko. I miss her a whole lot. Someday we'll see her again.
Maybe she'll walk right in and say, I'm safe. Right, Papa?
Yes. Let's hope so.
It's Gam. Hello, Mr. Mura. Miko, I brought a Christmas present to you. A present? Mm-hmm. Did you hear that, Papa?
Uh-huh.
What's the present, huh? What is it? Wait a sec. You must close your eyes. They're closed. You can peek now. Ah! A pistol. It's a special gun to use against the monsters. It shoots laser rays and it's guaranteed to penetrate metal shields. Look out, Rodak. Now you'll get it. Papa, I always wanted a ray gun.
You're lucky. And you didn't bring one for me as well? I'm jealous.
This is from me to you, Gam. I hope you like it.
Rodak's men, possessed by the dwarf robots, arrive at the Mura home.
Oh, it's a statue of Goldar, my father. Huh? That's very strange. Oh, Nico, I like it a lot. I don't get it. It looks just like him, only it's smaller. I'm really glad you got it, Nico. Even the hair looks so real, doesn't it? Ah! Jam! Papa! It's a trick of some kind.
What is it? Oh! Gam! Gam! Miko, call an ambulance.
Okay.
Hold it!
Papa!
Who are you all? All right, grab Gam. Right? Okay.
Don't take him, please.
Careful, son. Wait a minute. Let's go. Miko! Miko!
Oh, I missed.
We'll chase them.
I'm going to call Goldar. Let's hope that we don't lose sight of that car.
Yeah. You've got to jump out.
But Papa!
Hurry, go ahead.
The door is locked.
Akuma.
Makar is caught by Silva, the mother in the robot family of Goldar.
We were trying to rescue Gam. What happened to Gam? They took him prisoner. He was taken away in a car. Where is Gam now?
We don't know that yet. Don't worry, we'll get him back.
Is Rodak prisoner?
Those were his men.
Rodak's men?
Yes, let's go.
神様、どうかガムをお守りくださいますように。
皆さん、地球は今や滅亡に向かって突き進んでいます。全世界の都会では原因不明のテロが続発し、街を行く人々が次々に死んでゆきます。また宇宙からは怪獣ダコーダが現れ破壊を始めました。
私に言わせれば地球の滅亡は自業自得なのだ。諸君、滅亡する地球を救う道が一つだけある。それは宇宙の帝王であり宇宙の神であるゴア様に降伏することだ。
皆さん、騒いではなりません。この地球は私たちみんなの手で守らなければならないんです。
そうです。私たちにはマグマ大使がついてるんです。皆さん静かに。
ガムと同じく冷凍になりに来たのだ。者ども3人は逃がすな。
パパ。
Come on, let's go. No, you don't. Why can't you get them? Until when?
Rodak has been defeated, for the moment. And as a token of surrender, he returns a prisoner he took long ago.
Tomoko!
Mama!
Oh! She's alive.
Mama!
Speak to
Mama! Are you all right? Tell us, Mama! 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 Wake up! Mama!
She's coming to now.
Mama!
Are you all right?
Yes, certainly. I didn't think I'd see you again. Oh, Nico! Mama! My boy. Oh. Gan's missing.
Our son is gone. Silva, do you know where he is? I understand. His disappearance can be caused by only one creature. Rodak.
What'll we do?
Do not worry, Silva. We are the strongest family of robots in the entire universe. And Gam is our son. He will be safe. You know that, don't you?
Yes.
But as for Rodak, I will see that he pays for what he's done.